Welcome! In front of me I have COLMI V31 watch, and I'm gonna show you how to download additional watch faces on this device. Before we start, if you want to download additional watch faces on your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the F-Fit application. Once the devices are paired, you can open the F-Fit application on your phone. So let's open it. In the app, you should see the data page right here, and also you should see your watch V31-020C being connected to your phone. It says it right here, synced. Okay, now let's tap on the device icon right here to open the device page for our watch, and on this page you should see the dial center option. Tap on this arrow right here to open the menu. Wait until the dial market loads. If it doesn't load for a couple seconds, you can swipe downwards on the screen to refresh the page. Let's try again. Oh, this time it loaded. And here we have the list of watch faces we can apply on our watch. Find the one you like and tap on it to select it, for example this one. Then tap on the synchronized dial button, and now the watch face will start downloading to our watch. It's gonna be downloading from our phone to our watch. Let's wait until it's done syncing. And after it's done, the watch face will be applied on our watch, as you can see. And that's how you download additional watch faces on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.